These will be the elevators in the North Tower, at the Sheridan, not the Sheridan, the DoubleTree, near Universal. Used to be Otis, probably Touch, but modded by Schindler.
Floor 18.
That voice is messed up. Let's take a look inside. Oh, this one got a Kruppy mod. Dang, I wonder how recently that was done. Willing to bet it may have been original until just recently. And we get the same one we were just on. Okay. Otis. Yeah, that speaker is definitely on its way out. These aren't terrible, though. They're decent, they're just generic looking.
Floor 9.
Stopping on 9. Going down. 1.
Yep.
Floor 1.
And well, there it goes, and that's gonna be it.